Hello and welcome guys. I hope you are doing great. So in this short video I'm gonna talk about that how you can fix Instagram user not found on your iPhone devices. So the process is really simple and you just have to watch the full video in order to understand that how you can fix Instagram user not found on your iPhone devices. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's just say that you temporarily deactivated your Instagram account and then you log back in and you find that it's written Instagram user not found on your iPhone devices. So what you can do about it, you can try different things. For example, you can try signing in with your username, with your email, or with your number. Just try different things. And if it still doesn't work, that means that unfortunately Instagram has deleted that username against your account, and in that case you will just have to restart. That means you just have to set up a brand new account and do all the stuff and create content. And second thing could be that if you're trying to search for a friend and all you can see is that it's written there that this Instagram user is not found. So that means that maybe they blocked you, or maybe you could have blocked them unknowingly or intentionally. So if that's the case, you just have to open your Instagram, go to your profile, click on three bars, settings, privacy, and here you can see the option blocked accounts. So from here you can see the list of the accounts that you have blocked, and if you are trying to search a username that you have recently blocked, you can just unblock them from here and they will start to show. So that was it for today guys. I hope that you loved this video, because if you did, please don't forget to like the video. Thank you.